What up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. For those of you that don't know, my name is Antonio Mutwire and I own a 2018 BMW M3. So in today's video, I'm actually gonna take my car roll racing. I'm gonna head out to one of those meets, taking my stock F80. I mean, I say it's stock. It pretty much is stock, really. All it has on it is intakes from the last owner, and it's on a stage 1 tune. I have no aftermarket downpipes on it, nothing. So it's literally just a stock F80 with a tune. But I'm gonna call this stock until I get some downpipes and go stage 2 plus. All right, we at Costco getting that cheap gas. But honestly, I'm excited to take out the F80 because once again, there's really not a whole lot done to this vehicle, but I know there's gonna be a lot of other BMWs out there, all full bolt-on tuned. So it is gonna be interesting to see what this car can do against other cars like that are actually modified. My boy right here.
He's not even straight.
Check out the 530 on the 540. That's funny as hell. We got a lot of Beamers out here tonight. This is my favorite one right here, though.
Yeah, you ducking
No cap.
hard.
Got one over there. E92. It's another 340. There's a lot of 340s out here, man.
Oh, but that's pretty much it. Small, pretty small meet, but we got some other cars over here. There are a lot of drag packs out here.
Drag pack right here on the E92. Drag pack over there on the Corvette. We got some more cars pulling up right now. Is that a Supra? Another drag pack on this Mustang.
Oh God, I'm smoking that Supra. But literally, I'm pretty much the only stock car out here. It's gonna be a funny night, but we're gonna see how many races I can lose. That's what I'm gonna say. Everyone that asked me to race, I told them I'm down. Just pull up. Like, pull up next to me. Let's get it. Like I said, I'm actually excited to see how the S55 stacks up to a modified B58. All right, but we about to head out. So I'm about to switch to the GoPro head mount. And let's get it. Oh, dang, he got a carbon trunk. Okay, that's actually kind of clean. I didn't even realize it. God dang! Y'all, that Corvette that was heating up his nitrous just smoked that other Corvette like bad. I wasn't recording any of that. Yo, I am so freaking goofy, man. This Corvette right in front of me, we literally just raced and I did not press record, man. I was too worried about what gear I was in. I didn't even press record on the GoPro. It's all good though, because on the way back, we gonna run it back because it was a super, super close race. He probably got me by like a fender, but it was very, very close, so we definitely got to run that back.
Man, that one was way too close to run that back. It was lit. Oh, yeah, run it back.
But yeah, I just talked to homeboy. He's down to run it back.
Yes, man.
It's too clean, bro. You
I
gotta drag
appreciate it,
it.
man. I appreciate it. I know. I just watched it today. I don't know why, but
It's too clean.
already had bugs all over it. This is what I was talking about earlier on the GoPro. This man got the carbon trunk. ESR wheels. Those are super clean. Look at that carbon fiber. Damn. Shit is super clean. This is the 540, even though he has a 530 badge. He has a pure 850. But he just took off his drag pack because they were bald. He was on wires.
But damn, I'm so mad that I didn't get that run with that Corvette. Oh my gosh, that shit was too close.
All right, here we go again.
A few moments later.
Neck and neck. Dang, that race was neck and neck. I probably look goofy as hell with this on my head, but that's a good race. Literally, that's the same thing that happened on the way here, just both of us neck and neck the whole way. That was a really good race. Okay. Call it. Got him. I am such a goofy ass dude. I hope that I actually got to record some of those races on my GoPro, but the reason why I couldn't get any footage going there and the same coming back is because the GoPro was set to picture mode. So every time I clicked record, it was taking a motherfucking picture. God damn! But now halfway through, I did switch it back to video mode, and I do think I got a couple of races, but damn, man, I dropped the ball bad.
All right, I made it home. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning. Not gonna lie, I'm low-key kind of surprised how the F80 performed. I mean, we really didn't lose any race unless you want to count the Corvette race a loss, but it was probably about like half a fender, if anything. But some good runs out there, boy.
He want the scoop, she want the tea.
Yeah, we're about to pull up to this Gears and Grinds meet. We're a little late, you know, per usual. I'm late to everything, but it's all good. So it still looks like it's still popping out here. I see a lot of people still here. I thought we were showing up late, but maybe everyone's on the same time today. Go ahead, man. Yeah, go ahead. You cold? Dang. I was cutting the clothes down here, wasn't I? G82, looking good. How y'all feel about this exhaust? Oh, thank you, Alakai. How y'all feel about that? Y'all mess with it? Don't mess with it? Let me know in the comments. That's a little Viper right here. Super on some BBS's.
That's it.
Very nice, very nice. I mean, kind of like a BMW. Another G82. Man, these things are super clean. I feel like they're underrated. I don't know, for whatever reason, I feel like everyone has a G80. These things are super nice. I would have got a G82, you know, but I didn't want to be basic. Low-key, just couldn't afford it, but hey, here we are. And just as I was talking about G80s, here is a beautiful one right here. How do y'all feel about the G80 competition wheels? Do you like the G80 ones better, or you like the F80 competition wheels? Alright, y'all, like I said, it's colder than some polar bear titties outside, so we decided to come back in the car and head out. Alakai wasn't messing with it, right, Alakai? Ready to go home?
Yeah.
Cold? Yeah? Alright. Alright, we about to head out. Got the people waiting to record, but joke's on them. I'm not gonna do nothing crazy. Dad's not about to do nothing crazy, but he'll give him a little pull.
A few moments moments later.
Okay. Come on, bro. Wanna run it?
I do sincerely apologize for the inconvenience, but my GoPro decided to die as soon as I asked the Hellcat owner if he wanted to race. To file a complaint, please comment down below.
Y'all, I have the worst luck with this GoPro, I swear to God. But I don't know how much of that race the GoPro recorded.
It recorded absolutely nothing, you dumbass.
Of the Hellcat. But no, he was right next to me, and then I pulled up to him and I was like, you wanna run it? And he was like, I'm down. So I definitely got the jump on him. You know, I pulled off, but then he started reeling me in slowly but surely. But it was fun, nothing too crazy because I got the kiddo in the back. But he definitely started reeling me in. But just like that, that wraps up today's video. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. I do have a lot of plans for this year and this build in particular. If you like this video or helped you out in any way, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. It helps me out tremendously. And as always, Matwire fam, remember your goals and don't stop until you reach them. Peace.